right here. So depending on your repair jobs, you're not going to need everything. You're going to need a tweezer to pick out some of the items, some of the screws in here, and certain things. You also need a spatula, so a plastic spatula to pry out some of the flex cables. And you probably need a blade, or you can use this pry tools to pry out the screen. And this blade here is also quite useful. So this one here, you can pop in easily, get into the screen and pry it out. Here's another metal pry tool that you can use to pry out the battery. So if you're going to replace a battery, you're going to need to use one of this. And you need to disconnect the battery connector and then pry it out. So if you're going to replace the battery, you need one of this. You're going to need a suction cup as well. Suction cups helps remove the screen. So we're just going to push it down and pull it up, and that helps you pry out the glass.